This video is all about significant upgrades we have done to this version of the ultimate GTD system. And you will feel the positive changes being put in. We have enhanced the calendar view, the recurring tasks, the backlinks, other views, mobile and tablet friendly features to make things much sharper and adding significant functionality in areas like recurring tasks. This version has functionality no other template has in Notion. Let's dive straight in. If you're new to the ultimate GTD system, you should take a look at some of the videos I have published to deep dive into the topic. In a nutshell, the ultimate GTD system incorporates David Allen's GTD methods into Notion. This is again refined for recurring tasks, habits, bill tracking, birthdays and anniversaries, and much more. Based on user feedback, we have added unique features to recurring tasks like bi-monthly and day of the week scheduling methods. We've also brought out a getting started guide that helps onboarding much faster. Now let's look at some of the enhancements that we have brought into version 1.08. You will notice that we skipped from version 1.06 to version 1.08 as we bumped up features twice before we brought this out. And with this, we managed to complete the task integration into calendar efficiently. We will be doing the demo on live data so that it gives perspective of the information that can go in there. One of Notion's biggest strengths and challenges are the database tables. They provide enormous information, but you want more screen real estate for it to be efficient. Over time, I noticed that the calendar view is the most informative while being the most compact. And all of us are used to viewing the calendar for days, weeks, and months at a quick glance. With a bit of innovative engineering, I've managed to push the recurring tasks into the calendar with a bring update and also add the status for overdue or current into the calendar. For non-recurring tasks or one-time calendar items, the date/reminder stays default, which in turn hands over to the bring update and the schedule or tasks appear in the calendar. You will notice that the red dots can be visually seen on the month's calendar even if it's many days back. This enables you to tackle overdue items pretty quickly. In the process, we looked at how things would look on the mobile and the tablet. Tests were carried out on the iPhone and on the iPad. More on the mobile a little later. You will also know whether there's a backlink for the task. The tasks are also sorted by time slot if you've mentioned it. Linking tasks to the actual work page provides for a significantly enhanced workspace. Now, when Notion released this feature, we tested this extensively into our daily routine. We looked at things like daily planning or updating the CRM on a daily basis. This enabled us to go back and forth between the task and the workspace. To make things easier, we added a backlink view that provided for all pages using the backlinks. I also used the link icon for the page, thereby enabling easy identification inside of the calendar view. When we first created recurring tasks, we looked for a feature that allowed us to schedule tasks on a daily, alternate day, weekly, specific days of the week, fortnightly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, and annual basis. Unfortunately, due to some Notion limitations, the rendered date became a text field. And while the next due date was available, it didn't automatically appear in the calendar. So we created something called a bring update now. This became a way to put this into the calendar. With today's update, we have removed all the limitations and provided it with some innovative engineering. All the recurring tasks will be pulled up from the bring update, the logic for which is to look at the next due date and pick that up by default, only to be overridden by the date/reminder column if that's been provided. And of course, it has to be before the next due date. As soon as the date/reminder date is over, it reverts back to the next due date. So the combined field bring update pulls in both the dates and accords priority. Because of this change, it allows for the date to be sorted on and also sequentially ordered. This change wasn't easy. It took us about 4 months of work. And while the final output looks really simple, it marks a magical moment for all of us here at Studio CX360. Another significant pain point that we discovered was that databases were difficult to navigate inside of a mobile. With a set of enhancements to the calendar view, this became the new hero for mobiles. In addition, we asked ourselves a question: what is it that people would want to do when they are away from their desk? And in line with the answers to that, we started adding 5 views to the mobile. The mobile inbox provides for a seamless way to capture just the essential before you come back to the inbox at your workstation. Then of course you can add a few quick things and transfer the same to your tasks for execution. The Bill Pay mobile view gives a quick snapshot of the bills to be paid, and then you can mark it off as paid in the last due date and set another reminder if you want that before the next due date. Otherwise, you can just allow it to naturally pop up with the due date without any reminder. The Call Links view also allows you to join into the video call with the links entered earlier, and all of this is possible with just a single click. The Day view also allows you to see items with a time slot. The Recurring Tasks Today view allows you to view your recurring tasks for today. We have added a few other views that people have asked for. The Non-Recurring view throws up items with a frequency of non-recurring and specific dates. It's sorted by the goal status. We found that we had a number of daily recurring tasks to do and decided to add in a daily recurring tasks view. As a creator, I'm constantly creating new Notion videos, and I wanted to have a separate view for those projects. In the calendar view, I have added a content calendar view. This will enable us to look at all the new items I need to create this month. I've also added a YouTube video view inside of table views. That allows you to quickly look at all the YouTube projects, including non-content items. With the release of the Life operating system, the mapping from aspirations to tasks is possible. The non-LOS flags view also allows you to pull up all non-LOS tasks for review, linking, or elimination, as the case may be. The Getting Started guide has also been updated to reflect the changes. The idea behind Notion Gold is to create living, breathing systems that grow with maturity, feedback, and continuous use. So you can expect many more enhancements, many more add-on modules to the system in the months to come. We've created an advanced meal planner system within Notion that's now available for sale on our website. The video for the same will be the next one in line. If you've already purchased the Ultimate GTD System or the Life operating system, you will get a link for the same very soon. If you have not, this is the time to pick it up. I look forward to suggestions and improvements that you may desire to the document or the system. We would love to make this experience even better. If you're not yet part of this community, do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified of new videos. If you liked the video, consider sharing it with your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.